Welcome back everyone. In this tutorial I'll show you how to get Google Circle to search on iPhone and iPad. Firstly, install the Google app from the App Store if you haven't already. Open the Shortcuts app, then tap the plus icon to create a new shortcut. In the search bar, type Take Screenshot, then tap it to add. Tap Search bar again and search for Search Image with Lens and add it. And then tap Done to save the shortcut. You can rename the shortcut to Search Image with Lens. Now, if your iPhone has an Action button, open Settings, then tap the Action button. Swipe through modes until you see Shortcut, then tap Choose a shortcut and select Search Image with Lens. You can now hold the Action button to trigger the Google Lens for any screen. Go to the app or screen where the image is located and activate the shortcut via Action button, back tap or Siri. Your iPhone will take a screenshot, launch Google Lens, or show search results related to the screenshots. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.